guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shana-Kay. Thank you so much for joining me. Now in today's video, as you can see from the title, I am completely decluttering my washroom, and honestly I'm kind of a little bit embarrassed and scared to show you guys what it looks like in here, but I feel like it's long overdue. We have not done anything at all in this area since we moved in April, so it technically looks like a shit show. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like right now, and we're just going to reorganize. I'm not going to be doing any renovations or anything. That's going to happen at another time, but I'm just going to reorganize, declutter, throw out some stuff and show you guys the end result. So you guys want to see? All right, let me show you guys. Oh guys, and this is as realistic yet. Like, you see how all of these things out here are on the floor, like looking like a real crap. This is as realistic as it gets, right? So let me show you guys. First and foremost, you see all of those shoes over there, so on the floor. I have my filming equipment. I have a barrel in here with water. I have like a whole, this is the cloth that I normally use to do my artwork. That's in here too. A yoga mat, this bag, mat. My husband, 1,000,001 Guinness bottles when drink out of. Over here we have like the cleaning agents and stuff, laundry soap, all of those things, garbage bags. You see I have those like wood in there. Don't even ask me what they're for. They're for projects. Washing machine is right here. We have a whole ton load of paint on the floor and stuff that I use for my artwork. This bucket that has dirt in there because guess what? The girl plant sometime, so I have to get dirt from elsewhere to plant. See, you have a Scotch Brite and all of them, something up on the floor. Mop, bucket, dirty laundry. See, I have this whole thing right there, so in the corner. Garbage bin, more shoes. So it really looks like this. I have my hairnet on there drying. Don't have any curtains in here yet, so it's really in the state that we got the place in. Basically, we've not done anything in here, like I said before, and so I'm just going to declutter, take out some things, throw out some stuff, and then show you guys the process of doing so and what the end result looks like. All right, so first things first, I'm taking everything out of here and I'm moving them into the kitchen area so I can see the space that I'm working with. Throwing away everything that I can throw away, and yeah, that's what's up right now. So I'm going to switch it over to time lapse. So
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you.
alright guys, so we're having a very rainy day today, so I managed to take out almost everything out of the washroom and put it on the kitchen floor. You don't want to see the kitchen floor right now. It's a hot mess. And I just got done washing these storage baskets that I have. I got these at Bashco. I have them all around the house, to be honest, because they're so handy and good to like pack away stuff that you don't know what to do with them. So I just got done washing these because they were very dirty. Now I am about to clean up this side, this area right here, and see if I can pack some of the stuff back onto this area.
Get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
It's in finally. Put the curtain up because it was long overdue. I've had these for a while and I hadn't gotten a chance to do it. So curtains are up and now I'm just going to pack everything in, clean, and then that will be it. So I'll see you guys when I'm completely done with putting back everything and organizing and whatever, and then I'll talk to you guys again. So I'm switching again to time lapse. So let's go.
Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know.
Alright guys, so this is what everything looks like. So I added my curtains, which were long overdue, to the space, and I just rearranged some stuff, added a mat in here. I tried to utilize the space as best as I could possibly do. Clothes basket, dirty clothes basket that I have my clothespins and so on in. I ended up moving the water drum from that corner to here because I live in Jamaica, and Jamaica water can go at any time and I have no water for days. And then something there so that never reach me, so we always have a backup storage. So I had this rack thing in my kitchen. I actually threw it out this morning and then I went back for it, and I thought I could probably use it for a shoe stand. We keep our gym shoes and like our slippers so we can go outside and so on. This rack over here, in this corner I have my filming equipment. I don't have a place for them yet, so this is where they'll be staying because I use them a lot downstairs. I just have some buckets there for water, for cleaning and so on, because I don't have anywhere else to put them, so I had to just find somewhere to put them. Over here I have the laundry soap, detergent, disinfectant, all of those things that we use to wash and clean and so on and so forth. And that is basically it, you guys. This is the best I could do with the space that I have and the time that I have, and it absolutely is clean and it looks a lot more spacious, and I absolutely love that. So thank you guys for watching this video. So you guys, finally got done. Absolutely love how in here is so fresh and so clean. I'm going to be showing you guys when I finally do a renovation of this whole space, because I have so many good ideas for this space. So of course I'm going to bring you guys along with me, show you what I do and some of my ideas. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.